101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia, business and inspiration. Good evening, smart listener. Welcome back to our English learning program in collaboration with BPEC Makassar. Smart up your life, and you are with me right now, Rifa Majid as your host, and also my several friends from BPEC Makassar. Hi guys, welcome back.
Hi! Welcome back.
It's a lot, yeah. So, how are you?
I'm great. I'm doing great today.
Okay, so yeah, we have a newcomer here, a smart listener, and before we are telling you the topic of our conversation tonight, we are going to introduce our new member, our new friends from BPEC Makassar also, and they are a committee of BPEC Makassar, and they will tell you BPEC what BPEC is. Yeah. All right. We have Mrs. Debbie
Mm-hmm.
tonight,
Yeah,
as usual,
the bright one.
with yes, the colorful one. She's using the shocking green
Yeah.
for tonight.
Uh-huh.
And yeah, beside Mrs. Debbie, we have Miss Henry. Hi.
I'm great.
How was your day?
Uh,
Is it going great?
It's like usual.
Oh yeah, there's nothing special.
There is no.
Okay, and also the last one, the handsome one, the only handsome man in this room is Mr. Ihsan. Hi, Mr. Ihsan.
Hi.
Welcome to
Welcome.
Smart FM Studio, and
Okay.
welcome to our English learning program, Smart Up Your Life. Oh, how was your day?
It's going great.
Okay, so how does it feel coming to our studio and join the conversation tonight?
Actually, right now I'm a little bit
At first.
Nervous?
nervous,
Oh.
of course, and tired after doing evening exercise.
Oh yeah, are you
But
a
I'm
runner
but I'm
or?
running.
Oh yeah,
Yes, I'm runner.
How many
But
kilometers?
uh, 3 kilometers.
Oh
Wow.
yes, that's good to keep your.
My first time,
Uh-huh.
and this is my great experience to be having here.
Mhm.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Iksan.
Mhm.
I'm police officer.
Mhm.
Yes, and I work at Marine Police Division
Mhm.
of South Sulawesi Regional Police.
Oh yes, hormat gerak.
Salute up.
Salute up.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much for joining us. And
Okay.
yeah, you are the committee of BPEC
Yes.
Makassar too.
Yeah.
Oh my
Alright.
god.
Okay. Yes. Are you happy to have Miss Rizan?
Yeah.
Welcome to BPEC, yeah. Enjoy
Okay. We are
the
alright.
atmosphere.
Guys, I'm gonna ask you to how to say introduce BPEC to smart listener. Maybe there was a new listener maybe who Makassar, what
Yes, Kak.
BPEC is.
Yeah, thank you, Kak. BPEC is one of the old community of English in Makassar that will learn about grammar, how to handle meeting, or etc. And if you want to join, or if you just wanna stalker of our community, just follow our Instagram at BPS Makassar. Yeah, that's all for me, Kak.
Okay, yes. BPEC or Benteng Panynyua English
Oh,
Club
yeah, yeah.
is one of the oldest English community in Makassar, which is based in Fort Rotterdam.
Yeah.
But because of the
Pandemic.
pandemic outbreak, they have to move the weekly meeting, right?
Yeah.
In their how to say
Online meeting.
Virtual.
secretary
Virtual meeting.
virtual okay virtual
Meeting.
yeah, okay. Well, BPEC chance to upgrade the skill in English.
Yeah.
Yes, that's the uniqueness, one of the uniqueness and the strange that BPEC is that BPEC have. And I'm sure also every member of BPEC Makassar has their own uniqueness, has their own strengths and also weakness, because we born to this world with the strength and the weakness and also uniqueness, right? So, okay. From you guys, I'm curious to know what is your uniqueness. Do you think what is something unique from myself? Because tonight our topic is, yeah, everybody is unique, right? Born to this world with something very, very unique, and no one born with the same uniqueness, right? Okay, everybody's different. So, from Mrs. Dewi, do you think you are a unique one?
Oh, for sure.
Oh, what is your uniqueness?
How do I define like today and almost every time I come, every time I leave my home, I'm with my own trademark. That is, I always wearing the right color. Even though my favorite color is rainbow and neon green and a lot of unless dark unless dark like gray, black, or something like that. That is like not so me. Yeah, and a lot of the way I pursue myself, that this is my things, like year to year. How do I find my goals without pressure myself that I'm not gonna like this. Yeah. Yeah, a lot of things, many things, many uniqueness, but maybe I cannot define it too much from myself unless my daughter and my husband can say me directly, because people who blame you unique are the honest person, that they are truly telling that you are different than others.
Okay, the people, when they see you, it's suddenly like, yeah, I know the uniqueness of this one.
Yeah,
Because
absolutely.
she always showing the colorful style
Yeah.
in every outfits that she wear.
My
Yes.
outfit is talking about me.
Oh, yeah. All right. Before we move to the question for Mr. Isan and Miss Henry, we have to take a break for a while, smart listener, and you can join our conversation too. You can tell us what is your uniqueness, and yeah, you can join us on our YouTube channel, on our live streaming on YouTube channel Smartfm Makassar. Just write down your comments, and also you can join us through the WhatsApp in 0811 461 1011.